All right, now I'm going to take you through the volume of a cone. It's a little more difficult on the math because we've got to deal with pi here. Okay, it's the same formula as the pyramids, other pyramids. So volume is equal to 1/3 times big B times height, remembering that our big B is the area of the base. Okay, in this case, again, in a cone, our base is in the shape of a circle here. So we're going to have to use the formula pi r squared, which is how you find the area of a circle. Okay, in this case, a lot of times I would go ahead and find big B and then plug it in. But since we're dealing with pi here without a calculator 3.14, I'm going to remember that multiplication is commutative, so I can multiply in any order. So ultimately, what I'm multiplying here is 1/3 times big B. Now our big B is pi r squared, or 3.14, times r, which remember r is our radius. Now the radius of our circle, if you come over here, is 3 centimeters. So 3 is our radius, and we're going to square that. So notice our parentheses here, that's our big B, and then we're going to multiply that times the height. Now the height of a cone is from the top of the cone down to the bottom. That forms a right angle, so our height here is going to be 11. So multiply times 11. So now I'm going to go back, and I remember that multiplication is commutative. That means I can do it in any order, and I'm going to go ahead and simplify this down. My first step with PEMDAS is to go ahead and simplify my exponent. So I know 3 squared is 9. So now I have 1/3 times 3.14 times 9 times 11. The next step I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and skip that 3.14 so I don't have to do so much multiplication. 1/3 times 9, or 9 divided by 3, would be 3. So if I multiply those together, I get 3. If I bring everything else down, I have 3 times 3.14 times 11. Okay, now I'm going to choose to go ahead and multiply 3 and 11 since that's a little simpler. 3 times 11 is 33. So 33 times 3.14. Your final answer will be, sorry, I had to pause for my calculator. 33 times 3.14, go ahead. Once you do the multiplication, comes out to 103.62. And remember, since we're finding volume, it's always in centimeters cubed. All right, good luck getting ready to do that multiplication on those cones. If you'll go ahead and on the next slide, do those two problems.